Welcome to today's full body routine. If you would like to add a little extra burn for your arms and shoulders, feel free to use a light set of weights. That's all you're going to need, and let's jump in. Bring your feet together, roll your shoulders down your back, and we'll start taking a couple deep breaths. Now take a deep inhale, reach the arms up, and exhale out. One more time, inhale, and exhale. Let's do that again. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, hinge forward, bend your knees, and again, inhale, reach up towards the sky, and exhale around your spine. Keep going. On the next one, hold the arms up and slowly rise high on your tiptoes and find your balance here. Pull your abs in, drop your shoulders down. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, drop your heels, bend the knees, round your spine, and again, inhale, reach up, and exhale, lower down. Let's do that 3 more times. Big circles with your arms. Now stay up, rise high on your tiptoes, find your balance for 1 more time. And go ahead and bend your knees slowly, and now extend the legs straight. Again, bend both knees and extend. If you can, stay on your tiptoes, and if you need to, feel free to hold on to a wall or something for balance. Down and up. Nice. Now lower your heels, step your feet out wide, bend both knees, and reach the arms forward. Now we'll start circling the arms. Move your right arm up and back behind you and take it back forward. Now your left arm up and back. Take it up and forward. Add a little twist with your upper body and gaze behind your shoulder. The bend in your knees doesn't have to be too deep. We're just warming up. Working on our shoulder mobility here, we want to warm up every inch of our body before jumping in. Last one here. Now lift both arms up and down. Option to add your heels. Lift your heels as the arms go up, lower the heels as the arms go forward. Relax your shoulders, press them away from your ears. Keep your core nice and tight. Last one here. Hold the arms and heels lifted and stay still. Feel the heat in your body rise, feel the muscles loosening up, and now lower the heels and arms and extend the legs straight. Come down to the floor and bring your hands a little wider than your shoulders. Your legs are straight, your core is tight, and we'll start with push-ups. Go down and up, lower and press, bike your hips up and down, up and down. Again, 2 push-ups, and pike your hips 2 times. You're coming into a downward facing dog. 2 times pike your hips. And let's do this combination 1 more time. Really shoot that seat up towards the sky, keeping your arms straight. Now bring your right knee in, and as you extend the leg, pike your hips up toward the sky. Again, bring it into your chest and extend the legs straight. So you are still doing that downward dog motion, but this time you're challenging yourself more and only balancing on 1 leg. Last one here. Now lower the right leg and bring your left knee into your chest and send the leg up. Again, pull it in and extend it out. You have 4 more on this side. Hang in there. Last 2. Your best one yet. Take your left toes down and lower yourself down on your forearms. We'll finish it off with a little plank session. Pull your abs in, press yourself up and away from the floor. You have less than 30 seconds left in this position. Now draw little rainbows with your hips. Take the hips right, up and around to your left, up and over to your right, up and over to your left. Actively pull that belly button in towards the spine. Last 4 sets. 3, 2, and last 1. Drop down on your knees, shift your seat back. Feel free to take your knees a little wider. Take a deep breath in and out. Stretch out your body. Good work. Carefully press yourself up. Go ahead and grab your light set of weights and I'll meet you back here. Hold one weight in each hand. Bring your feet out wider than shoulders, toes face forward. 4-part combo here. Side lunge right, come back, come into a squat, stand up tall. Again, side lunge and squat. Reach for your right toes with your left hand and send both arms straight back behind you. Reach and extend them straight. You are staying right here this whole time. We're going to switch sides later. Keep your left leg straight as you come into that side lunge. Last 1. And now only the squats. Come down and up. Arms extend and bend. Make it energetic, make it count. It's a large range of motion. Keep your knees wide, squeeze your glutes every time you come up. Stand tall, turn your toes out, extend the arms out to the sides. Now close the arms and open. Knees bend, extend. We made the transition from a squat into a plie, so make sure you're keeping your shoulders stacked right over your hips. There's no hinging forward. Go down and up. Last 1. On the next one, stay low, flip the palms to face down and cross the arms. Left over right, right over left. Switch and switch. You have the option to stay here or add a little pulse with your seat. Little pulse and pulse. 4 more here. Hold your seat still, pull the elbows back, lift the weights up, lower down, extend the arms straight. Again, pull, lift, lower, extend. Your lower body is staying still. Make sure your abs are tight and your rib cage is closed. Pull, lift, lower, and press out. Check in with your shoulders, make sure you're keeping them relaxed. Don't allow them to sneak up to your ears. Last 1 full range. On the next one, hold the weights at 90 degrees, inside bend right, back up, twist right into a lunge and back to center. Again, side bend and come into a lunge. Left arm comes up and over your head and punch the arm forward. Side bend and reach and twist and punch. Again, side bend and twist as you punch. Keep your right arm still and focus on keeping the elbow lifted. Let's do 2 more here. Last 1. Now stay here, extend the arms straight and little pulses up. Little up and up. Lift and lift. This is your final change here before we switch sides. Option to add a little pulse with your seat. Pulse and lift, pulse and lift. Final 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower the arms, shake it out, and we'll jump right back into it. Take your feet out wider than shoulders, toes face forward, and we'll start with side lunge over to your left. Now lunge left, back center, come into a squat and up. Reach for your left toes and send the arms back. Keep your right leg straight as you come into that side lunge. Keep your knees wide as you come into the squat. Reach and send the arms back. Last one here and keep squatting. Come down and up. Shift your seat back, press your weight into the heels. 4 more. Last 2. Last 1. Now turn your toes out, extend the arms out to the sides and arms close and open as the knees bend and extend. Close and bend, extend and open. Down and up. Activate your inner thighs even more here by pulling your feet together as you come up. Last one. On the next one, stay low, flip the palms down and now cross the arms. Left over right, right over left. Option to add a little pulse with your seat. Pulse and pulse. Now keep your seat still and pull the elbows back, lift the weights, lower, and press them out. Again, pull the elbows, lift the weights, lower, and extend. You're trying to maintain a 90-degree angle at your elbows as you pull them back and lift the weights up. You have 3 more here. Last 2. Last one, full range. On the next one, hold the arms at 90 degrees and side bend left, back up, come into a lunge and back to center. Again, side bend and twist left coming into a lunge. Right arm goes up and punch it forward. Reach and punch. See if you can get your right knee to touch the floor as you come into the lunge. You have 2 more. Last one here. Now extend the arms straight, flip the palms back and pulls them up. A little pulse and pulse. Up and up. This is a burner, I know, but this is your last change. Add a little pulse with your seat. Pulse and lift, pulse and lift. Final 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ditch the weights and quickly come down to the floor. Come into a seated position, place both hands directly underneath your shoulders, fingertips face forward. Squeeze your glutes, lift them off the floor, and now bend the elbows and extend. Bend, extend. Isolate the movement in your triceps here. Little bend, extend. If this feels too much, you can always keep your seat down on the mat. Now add your right leg. Bring the knee in, extend the leg straight. Bring it in, extend. Last one this side and switch your legs. Now pull your left knee in, extend. Pull it in, extend it out. Last one, take the toes down and pulse it out. Little pulse and pulse. Find your lowest position here and work from there. Final 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Nice, that was not an easy one. And now let's take a well-deserved stretch after this short but challenging workout. Find comfortable position and bring your right arm across your body. Gently pull on it with your left. Breathe into it, feel the stretch in your right shoulder. An option to gaze over towards your right. Deepen the stretch. Come back to center and switch sides. Bring your left arm across your body and pull on it with your right. Be gentle to yourself. An option to gaze over towards your left. Release the arms and bring your right hand up and over behind your head. Grab onto the elbow with your left. Open up your chest here. Find a nice, deep, and comfortable stretch. And switch sides. Left hand goes behind your head and gently grab onto your left elbow with your right hand. Release the arms. Clasp your fingertips behind your low back. Open up your chest. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, option to hinge forward, lifting the hands straight up. Roll back up. And let's get into our final stretch. Go ahead and bring your feet together. Let your knees hang heavy out to the sides. Take a couple deep breaths here. Option to stay here, or if you'd like to, go ahead and hinge forward, finding your deepest and your best stretch. And while you're at it, I would like to thank you for joining me in this workout today. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. Are you up for a challenge? Then join my free 5-day bar workout program. I will leave the sign-up link in the description bar down below. Thanks so much, and I will see you again next week.